Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this is live. We're good to go. All systems check. What is going on, guys? We are live for Bullet Chess Monday. I don't know what to call this, man. We just do chess versus viewers. We do 3 minute on Thursdays, and we do 1 minute on Mondays. How was the weekend, man? Let's get in a 1 minute game. I say we just go. I get the pinned comment up, guys, so you can send me. Let me put it on Facebook too. And I'm going to hit play, guys. I'm going to hit the play button. I'm going to get right into a game, and you guys can come after me if you want to. 1 minute unrated Rosewood Telly on chess.com. Pin comment. There we go. Everyone gets the pin comment, folks. Here we go. Starting myself. Take the space. Got a square here. Square's here. He wants to kick this knight. He kicks this one first. We check. And then we take with check. And then we give him that pawn to open up his king. So we're going to come here, check. It's not check. Okay, come back. Oh, he gets a knight! It's bad. It's really bad. It was a huge mistake. You just bring the rook. Take a pawn. Come back. Takes because that's what he does. Taking because that's what I do. Take. Win a pawn. Okay. I won the first game from the pool, folks. I won the first game from the pool. A little bit of heart attack there, man. It's a little bit scary. The weekend, dude. What did we do, man? Friday night, what did we do Friday night? We did nothing. We hung out Friday night. Saturday night, I played my gig. That was fun, guys. Great gig. Taper Mike, welcome to the stream, dude. If you want to play me 1 minute, it's pinned. Challenge Rosewood Telly, 1 minute unrated. I'm going to jump back into the pool until we get more people in the chat. That's fine. I played my gig in Fredericksburg, Texas. It was absolutely amazing. Great band, good times. There was a slight glitch with the PA head. It wasn't mine, and I happened to have brought mine with me, so I kind of saved the day. He said I saved the day. He could have got by with his, but he would be more comfortable if everything was working properly, is the best way to put it. So I had mine in the truck, man. So I said, dude, I got almost the same one in the car. He said, get it. Plugged it in, bang, rock and roll all night, baby. It was cool. I felt like I played okay. And then after that, Saturday night, about 1 in the morning, midnight, about midnight, I got home to Courtney's house, and we watched the replay of the great Ronda Rousey, Nate Diaz fiasco. Did anyone see the fights, man? Dude. There was like a couple of reasonable fights. Ronda did Ronda stuff. She's like Tyson. She walks out, she touches you, she breaks your arm, you quit. What? Holly Holm didn't have that problem, but Gina did. Oh my God! And you know what? Taper. You know what? It's exactly what I was talking to my girlfriend about. The matchups. And believe me, did you see? Remember the cut man? What's his name? What's the old Mexican cut man? He looks Mexican. He might be Italian. He's got the dark hair and the mustache. Stitch, was that his name? He was loved in the UFC, and they got rid of him. Right? Remember that? And there was a big uproar about it. Well, they had him. There was a whole bunch of familiar UFC faces. Yeah, send it. Send it. Here we go. I got a 1 minute. It's not unrated. James, it has to be unrated. But send it again, James. There was a whole bunch of UFC MMA style faces there. I saw Fedor Gorst in the crowd. You guys, you know who Fedor Gorst is? Him and Josh Filler are basically known as the, and Shane Van Boning, who is getting toward the end of his peak career. They're like the top pool players in the world. And I'm like, that's Fedor. I saw him in the crowd, man. Fedor commented on one of my chess streams or something. He said, not on my stream, but on one of my posts, he said, Charlie, I need to learn how to play chess. I'm like, hey, Fedor, of course, knows who I am. That made me feel good. It made me feel famous, guys. Made me feel famous. So yeah, man, I told her, I said, but they had Big John McCarthy as the ref. They had Stitch as the corner man, right? They had all this great, the 2600, I would play the 2600 rated if he wants, but no, unrated for sure. We got to beat him on the clock, guys. Right? God. That was a happy move, guys. That was a happy move right there. Okay, he's coming at me like a spider monkey, guys. Like a spider monkey. We're bringing rooks. Okay, we're just gonna start opening them up a little bit. You want to see this move? I'll move my queen. I'll get a check first. Maybe check first is probably the move if he pushes. Then we're going to play this. We're going to come at him. We're coming as king, guys. Ah! I got so much time, I'm going to play it out, guys. Ah! He's got to bring other stuff, guys. It's too fast. He already sees the mate! He only had 4 seconds. Good game, man. That was a good game. God, he's so fast, man. How old are you? How old are you? Guess, if you want to know how old I am, guess my age. Yeah. Was that you? Was that you, Orf? It was him. What? You're from Jordan? Dude, I knew a guy from Jordan. Wow, 16 years old, dude. Dude, you're strong. Do you have a FIDE rating? I am 58 years old. And, yeah, dude. Thank you for the challenge, man. I love playing better players. I played really quick in the opening, probably too quick. He probably could have pre-moved something and maybe, but I try not to drop a piece in the opening. I think I had a pretty good position, but the problem is, how do you finish? I had like 30 plus seconds and he had like 17 seconds. It was huge. But you want to beat him on time? You can't drop all your pieces. 1900 FIDE. Wow, do you play a lot of 1 minute? Yeah, you play a lot of 1 minute? Because, guys, man, that was fun, dude. That was, I'll tell you something else, too. Nice use of the Botez Gambit. Thank you, Bill Stevens. How you doing, Rhodes? Bill Stevens, how you guys doing, man? Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Man, I'm telling you. And you know what's funny? But you are strong, by the way. Thank you, man. Thank you very much. I try. I'll tell you this. I play 400 rated players sometimes in our weekly tournament, and it just doesn't feel like a real chess game, right? You know the feeling I'm talking about? This isn't not real chess. I know enough about chess to know when it feels weird. That right there was 1,000,000,000% a real chess game. I mean, you could just tell. You're still so strong, yet I could tell we were playing a game of chess. Do you know what I'm saying? And that's an honor to play somebody who plays real chess, yet is so much stronger. Man, and that's why I'm doing this too. I'm not got any challenges right now. I'm going to get back in the pool because I want to get better at 1 minute. You made someone in 4 moves 2 times. He did the same moves. Really? Ah! Come on. Should have allowed it, but it's okay. I still get my knight. I still get this move. And C3 does it trap my queen? Okay, he doesn't want it. I'm gonna go ahead and come here. Oh, he's on my pawn now. I'm gonna come here. That's a horrible move. He has check. Queen check is good. He doesn't want it. Takes. Castle now because I'm totally safe. And then break in El Centro. And open up files. Yep. Go ahead and take. There you go. I like that square. Okay. Where's my bishop go, though? It comes here and hit the rook. And do I bring the rook to the pawn square? I think I do. He takes that. I take this. And we can come here and have options. You guys clean there? Okay. Oh, he attacked my bishop. Oh, this is bad. Might get something going here. Ah. Just go. I resign. Yeah, I didn't even get the resign off on time. That's funny, though. You made someone in 4 moves 2 times. He did the same moves. Let's play next. All you got to do is send it. Like right now, 213, you could be playing me right now because I have no challenge. So send it. Send it, folks. Oh, man. This is fun. I'm already having fun. He sent it. 1 minute unrated. This guy knows how to send it, folks. Go back to the pregame lobby where you were born. D6 was better. Just lock it up. Get him out. Get him out. Say, where are you going, buddy? I'm going to stop it from coming. We're going to come here, I guess. I dropped that, but I can come in. He doesn't want it. Now I can come in and protect my stuff, my family. Now I want to play this move. Bring the other knight. Okay. Right. I think this is probably good. It gives him plans, but they take time. These plans, they take time, guys. Check. Check. He has sacked the queen, guys. It's trapped. It's trapped, and I get the rook. Oh, that was brutal. That was brutal. His queen was trapped with the knights. Did you see that? Yeah, viewers, 1 Minute Mondays, man. Europe says, like, I was in some arena in stream. I lose 3 times because the blunder. They saw you won 2,600, bruh, and at least 1,000. I'm like 80 points. Wow. Mantis Shrimp, 1 minute unrated. You get it. Newbie School, I saw you. Oh no, bishop takes. It doesn't work. Go somewhere, my knight can attack your queen. Oh, he got it. He got me first. I got my fork. I got my check though. And I can disconnect him. Oh, that's bad. This is so bad. He's rated 400, guys. We just got to beat him on time. Winning. G6 maybe. Okay, what a move this guy. This guy with the moves. Now I get the bishop. He doesn't understand. Oh, what a move. What a move, this guy. This guy's rated 400. This is why we play unrated, folks. This is why we play unrated. This is why we play unrated, guys. This is why we play unrated. He's rated 400. That's how... Oh, no. The last game was 400. 1,600. Never mind. Never mind. He's not 400. Oh, we got a 2,000. By the way, I must say to you, Mantis, good game. I was looking at someone else's rating. Next up was Newbie, rated 2,000. Dude, the strong players. I love the strong players that are coming in today. That's why I play chess, guys. He's like, I'm going to do this because you screwed it up last time. I don't know why. I never mind doing this. Interesting. Okay. Just come down to file. Just bring it on down. He almost had it, guys. He's looking at this, but I don't think it works. Okay, I guess I can come where? Just move! It's a square, it doesn't do anything. Hair. Took way too long for that move. Just make it, dude. Just make it. I didn't even look at what he did. I should have. Okay, here. Check. Oh no, the knight can take! Ah! Oh my god. I'm in so much trouble. Doesn't have check. Oh, he does have check. You should take the pawn. He didn't want it. I'm gonna do this first. Oh no! Oh my god! I forgot I was playing. I play in arena. I don't. You know what? if we think we have enough players for an arena, we might. Who wants to play an arena? I would love to put up an arena. Yeah, yeah. No. I thought he was 400, man. I thought he was 400. He was clearly 1600. Okay, I'm gonna go. If you guys want me to start an arena on chats.com, I will start an arena. We just need to have a couple people tell me that they want to play. Arenas are great because you can come in and out of the arena. Oh, it's okay. It's kind of okay. Yeah, because the night gets out. You could maybe hit my rook. There's no way. I got so much time. I got so much time. I got so much time. Dude, I had so much time. I can do that. I could do that with the queen in almost no time. Okay, I haven't played this guy either. Dude, who wants to do an arena? Arenas are cool because you can like play a couple games, and then if you want to leave, you can leave. You can come back. He had the queen check. He didn't see it. Right. Oh, I had that for free. Okay, I didn't do it. Takes. Probably should have gone here. Bring the rook. Bring the amigos rook! Good move. My rook was hanging. Shove him. Shove him! And he got me on time by far. 1769, tough player. I think I've played everyone so far. You know how to mate with 3 knights. You must mate in 3 and you are losing. Oh, I believe it. In 1 minute, I'm going to miss a lot of mates, man. Yeah. I'm looking for the name I haven't played yet. But I think I've played everybody so far. Oh, we got friend requests. All right, Osler, we are now friends on chess.com. Jano the champ, we are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. And BG Corey, we are now friends on chess.com. All right? You love to see it, folks. Let me just get a quick vibe on who I have watched, because some of these names maybe I saw in the... I try and get as many as I can. Osler I played a couple times. Wow. Newbie I played. Yeah, Manus Trimp, James. Okay. Rolk, Gary. Right. Okay. No, and that's the whole day. Okay, good. So I just have a vibe. I will start playing repeats. I just try and get the other people first. An arena it's like a tournament, but it's for a set amount of time. We could do like a 1 minute arena for like an hour. Right? Can't you do that? Do I have another friend request? There's no way! Gary! Thank you, Gary. Love you, brother. We are now friends on chess.com. I already told you what it means. What it means to me. Okay. We go to community. We go to clubs. Guys, join Chess Chillers that we can play our tournament. We have a weekly tournament every Wednesday. Every Wednesday for the last 5 years. I mean, it used to be on Tuesday, but weekly. We have 1,152 people in Chess Chillers is the name of our club. Club event. New club event, guys. New club tournament match. I think that's it, right? Okay, how do we... Club vote chess? No, that looks dumb. Club daily? Yeah, we don't have that much time. Multi-club arena, not doing that. Club Swiss Club Arena, as suggested by the 2600 arena. Oh, you just want... I know what you're looking for. You're looking for another trophy, right? You deserve it. You're 2600. Get out there and get your trophies, brother. First arena ever. Okay, this is our first Chillers arena ever. Okay, rated. Nope, it's going to be unrated, guys. It's going to be unrated. Pairing logic, rating based, score based. I think it should be score based. Should it be rating based? It's Chess Chillers. Chess Chillers is the club. I'm going to paste that for everybody. Chess Chillers, guys, on chess.com. Go to clubs. Charlie, what's up, dude? Kenneth Matthew Borders, how you doing, dude? Good to see you, my friend. That's the club. Join that on chess.com. It's free. It's just like joining following something on Facebook or anything. It's just that way you can play our tournaments. Standard time control. 1 minute. 30 minutes. As recommended by our new 2600 in chat. 30 minutes is good. 30 minutes is good. Oh, when do we start, though? Oh, I could start at 13:30, right? No, I can't start in 2 minutes. It won't let me start in 2 minutes. Okay, so the arena has to start at 14 4 o'clock? I think it is. It is. Yeah. Okay, players, minimum games of 1 minute. I don't care about that, right? I mean, if a guy comes in cheating in 1 minute, you know, he's obviously got the good stuff, and it'll definitely get him banned. Unrated gets you banned just as much as rated does, just so you know. I think I've done this. I think I got this, man. I will post a link to the arena. Starts in 31 minutes. Good. Okay, good, guys. We're playing... dude, it's our first arena ever. We're starting small. Arena Addict. I don't see Chess Chillers in clubs. It's there, brother. Let me show you. Community, clubs, Chess Chillers. It's on top. CHESS space CHILLERS. They are capitalized. The C's are capitalized. Bellacorn, you guys, it has to be 1 minute. Yeah, got you, brother. Dude, I love the way this guy's name is Arena Addict. That is so cool. We just start talking Arena, and a guy named Arena Addict shows up. Did you just change your name for the Arena? I will lose. No, it's unrated. I made it unrated. Yeah, I made it unrated because I don't want to lose rating either. Not because I care. It's because I started caring. I wanted to get all my ratings up to where they should be closer to be, right? Because I mean, dude, we do a 10+5 weekly tournament rated, and I'm playing people rated 400 that play like Grandmasters. It's freaking crazy. So because I've been working on getting my ratings more to where they should be, I've been doing all the stuff play against viewers. I do it unrated. Yeah, absolutely unrated. Let me see. Where's my chess.com play? Oh, I see the Arena community clubs. The Arena doesn't post because I'm not joined yet or something. Let me get the thing for the Arena. I don't see it. I believe you if club events. I swear I clicked on unrated, but I believe you. I don't even see it. How come I can't see it? I go to my club. I say club events. There's past events. Upcoming events, none yet. Yeah, I got to make another one. I will get that. I'm going to do that right now. Let me go back and make it again. I'm not going to lie. I probably made that a little bit fast. Club Arena called our first Chillers Arena ever. Probably mistyped that. There we go. Rated, unrated. I think I clicked it and I turned it to rated, except I don't know why it's not listed. Rating based. Do I do rating based or score based? I've never made an Arena. Arena Addict knows the difference. You always have trouble getting into the Arena. Okay, well, I'm going to give you a link. I'm going to give you a link in a minute, brother. 1 minute. Duration 30 minutes. Standard start date. Hour is going to be 14. The same time our tournament starts. Dude, we could start doing a weekly Arena on Mondays. Oh, okay. Got you. Yeah, well, I get it if you don't like chess.com. But, wait, that's why I don't play in rated arenas. I was 2000 Blitz and lost all the rating playing in my country's arena. Yeah. Welcome to the Olympiad, 213. Imagine being Fabiano Caruana and you have to go play 25 90s from freaking Brazil. And you give up draws and lose like mass rating points in the Olympiad. That happens. When you commit to competing for your country, you pretty much are giving up your rating. So do I do rating based or I think it should be score based. I think it should be score based. So all the people that keep getting zeros can play each other until someone gets a win. And all the people that have high points, they got to play each other. You know what I mean? Yeah, you have trouble getting into the Arena. Makes me think of Spinal Tap. Okay, we've got this thing set. Not rated. 30-minute duration. Starts at 14 in 27 minutes. Minimum games doesn't matter. I'm going to say create. Oh, it's there. I'm going to have a link, guys. I'm going to have a link. How come it's not? It's chess.com. Why do they got to be like this, bro? Let me go back to my club. Chess Chillers. The greatest club on the internet. It still says no event, though. Why doesn't it say no upcoming event? I've been doing this for 5 years, Arena Addict. Wait, no, you forget to put the player. What does it mean? Players' names. The players' names? I put the name of the club. I filled everything out. But can we agree here? If it says, you're too strong for chess.com anyway, come to the light side. I play on Lead Chess a lot, actually. Oh, max players. I thought, you know what? I didn't read it. Did it give me an error, though? Club events. Wait. New club tournament. Okay, this is the last time, and this is, dude, the third time is what we call a charm, right? Chillers first arena ever. Okay. Unrated, score based, standard, 1 minute, duration 30 minutes. There is no players, minimum games. How many games a player must have played before joining this event? 0. That's the only thing I left at 0. There is no, that's not what that was for. Everything is here. New club arena. Club chess chillers. Arena name, I filled it in. Unrated. Score based. Game type. Standard. Time control. 1 minute. Duration 30 minutes for the thing. Setup. Standard. Yeah. Start date May 18th. That's today. Start time 1400 and 0 minutes. That is in 24 chess.com minutes. Different than Lead Chess minutes. 0. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. No! What are you saying no? Make the start time what? The player. It says players. Minimum. Oh, well, okay, I'll put 5. I'll put 5. The crazy thing is, I have on my screen now, I have a little drop down thing that says Chiller's First Arena, but it's blank. It doesn't matter that I've been doing this for 5 years. I haven't been doing arenas for 5 years. I make a tournament every week on chess.com for the last 5 years. That number at the bottom is the minimum number of games someone has had to play in that time control to be able to join. So I have it set for 5 rapid games on my weekly Swiss tournaments. So someone can't just come in and have a new account and not play games. They have to have 5 rapid games. Do you understand what I'm saying? That's what that number is. You have trouble getting yeah. See, I have Chiller's First Arena right here. I have a little thing. But there's nothing here. Usually the tournament will be there. Now if I go to clubs, the start time is right. 1400. As a matter of fact, I tried to set it to start in 2 minutes. Like at 13:30, and it said, you can't do that. Sorry, it has to be more than 5 minutes. So I said, I will just set it for 1400, like I do every week for my chess tournament. Yeah. Oh, here, okay, I got it. First Chillers Arena ever. Oh my God, there's 3 here. There's 3. They're all up, guys. There's 3. Wait. Let me join the newest one. Okay. Let me go back. Let me go, because I can cancel these other ones. Join. And I'm going to cancel it. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes. And then I'm going to come back. They're here now. You know what? Dude, maybe chess.com is just like bugging, bro. Maybe chess.com is bugging. Okay, I canceled the other 2 arenas. This is the one, and I'm going to give you guys a link right now. We have plenty of time to get in, guys. Everyone needs a calm. No, thank you, guys. It literally didn't instantly post it. Join this one. And I've got 2 in right now. Okay, good. Share. Here's the arena link, guys. Join arena here. We're in, guys. We are in. There's the link to the arena. And now I'm going to get it for everybody. Almost like I've done it before, folks. But I've never made an arena. But you know what? I did everything right. I did everything right. I just hit go. And it's like sat there going, duh, 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 duh. When I make a Swiss, it just makes a Swiss. Instantly. Instantly. Yeah. Has anyone noticed chess.com being a little bit goofy lately? Hey, Ola E, we're now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess, okay? That's our job as friends. You just joined chess.com as oh, dude, you got a problem with chess.com, Arena. Like, just because I play on chess.com, like, I don't necessarily defend chess.com, but I'll tell you this. All the best players play on chess.com, right? But I don't say that Lee Chess is bad, right? I have an affiliation with chess.com to where I get money when people buy premium memberships. I don't have that with Lee Chess because they don't have that. But I don't then say Lee Chess sucks. Do you know what I'm saying? It's like someone plays on chess.com all the time. Maybe saying the one they choose to play on sucks. Maybe it's not nice. Just telling you, you know, just trying to give you a little bit of knowledge. Knowledge. Yeah. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's just not what you like. And that's okay. I feel you, brother. I feel you. Don't let it be your your calling card. Don't let it be your legacy. What was Arena Addict known for? Well, he was a pretty good guy. He hated chess.com. It's like, is that what you want on your list? Here we go. Newbie, I'm giving you another match. And then I'm going to make a cup of coffee while we get closer to this arena. I'm going to try and beat you, man. Let's go. Probably should have took the other knight. Probably should have put my queen on an unprotected square. Okay, I guess just defending. I kind of was in a little bit of trouble there. And probably shouldn't have allowed all that. Oh, wow. Maybe this is not so good. Dang it! He had knight check. He had knight check, guys. I think he had knight check. I had to give him that pawn with check too, didn't I? I had to give it to him with check. Horrible move. Okay, at least we still have a knight. We had a knight. No time. Crush me on time. Can I review your games? No, I can't. I don't do that. Dude, Bilbo Swaggins. No man bun, no man robe. What does the world come to? Can you believe it? Can you believe it, man? The slacking going on around here, Billy? Bill says he is survived by his beautiful family, spent hours serving the soup kitchen, invented many things, and helped the world, and hated chess.com. Right. All right. Now we're playing replays again. I'm going to play Gary again, the 2600, guys. Hopefully I can give him a better game. Ah, come on. Why can't I move my pieces? Dude, it feels weird. It feels weird. Take the spatula. Come back. That's a good move. Just come back. Just make me defend my pawn. Get rid of there. Get thee behind me, Satan. Get thee away! Dude, I full show tuned that. Did you guys hear that? That was crazy. He's chasing my bishop everywhere, bro. Ah! It's gotta move, dude. Didn't see any of that malarkey. Oh, he had a rook check. This is really bad. Did you not play rook check? Oh, well, what do I do though? He gave me 15 seconds, but I could come here. No, I just lose. I resign. Things you don't want to do. Yeah, he's 2600. They blender pieces. You can watch a 2600 make mistakes in a 1 minute game. Play him yourself, and you will see that that you will lose because you make mistakes too. He makes less, and he makes them faster. Ah. Should have took that. Am I trapped? Move. Come on, just move, dude. Anything. Anything. Just stop losing on time, bro. This is a good move. Disconnect. I mean, it feels like a good move. Take the filio. Control the squareo. Bring the other rook and just threaten checkmate. He should probably get rid of a rook. Play the check because you can. Good game, dude. Channel the champ. He's 620. He lost on the board, but he played a very, very good game. And he was losing on time, too. But he was playing someone 1,000 points higher than him. That was a good game, dude. That was a good game. You'd be proud of that game. Know that, Blender. I was having an idea. You have to go. Hey, Orf, we'll see you next time, brother. Guys, join the arena. Join the arena. The arena, here's a link to the arena. Join the arena here. Actually, I need to pin that. That's a pinnable offense, right? Oh, it's already pinned? It's already pinned? Did I pin it here too? Pin it. There we go. And then put it back up here for Facebook too. There we go. Dude, we're playing an arena. It's going to be so much fun. Get in the arena. Oh, I got friend requests, folks. Unprofessional name. I love your name. It's professional to me. Okay? And Trevor, we're now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. Unprofessional, rated 1458. 1 minute chess. Let's get into it, folks. I think you do play this now. You don't normally, but in this position you do. At least I think you do. Probably not the best move. Just take it, man. Horrible move. Chasing his knight to my king. I like this square. F4? I think F4 might win a piece. No, he didn't have to do that. It's a little bit of wood. I should have gone the other way. Start taking files, I guess. Okay. Oh, I'm safe now. Oh, I thought I was. I thought I was. Why go that way? And he got me on time. Oh, man. Dude. Why I slowed down at the end, man? Okay, we got 3 people in the arena so far, but they're going to come. Join the arena, Unprofessional. Get in the arena on chess.com. We're going to make coffee for the arena, guys. It starts in 8 chess.com minutes. It starts in 8 chess.com minutes. Nice, I'm stressing. Dude. Is it... Wait... I can play with you, brother. Tamara, absolutely. Well, you can play me by joining the arena, and that's why I don't play rated arenas. Oh, yeah, I saw that one. Okay, good. All right, guys, follow me to the coffee cam. I'm fixing it. It was not... I tested the coffee cam, guys. I tested it before we went live. Why is it doing that? 1 second. It's so crazy that fixed it. Hey. Man, I love you guys challenging me, but the arena's fixing to start in 5 minutes. I'll play Jano. I'll play Jano one quick one. Well, we got to get to the board. I was fixing to play that whole game on the wrong screen, guys. Dude, I had to play H6 first. I just released a short, guys. I just released a short. With that exact trap on it. Like just now. It's insane that I did, but and it just came up. Okay, bring a rook, I guess. That's a move. I think everything's protected. Is it? We're gonna find out right now. Take the 7th rank, folks. It's always Grandmaster. Take the free pawn. It's always a Grandmaster move. I'm taking it after this game, too. I'm going to show you guys what it means. To take the Grandmaster move. Yeah, it's just... I'm just 1,000 points higher, so it's just a little bit faster. Okay, he wants to bring the king, but he's giving all his pawns up. Okay, he wants to make a check. There's nothing there. Just come here. Okay, gets this one. I didn't see it. It could be weird doing it with the bishop on the board. It could be very dangerous. Bring the king. Get the bishop out of the game. I don't want stalemates. Bring the king. Play the knight check. Bring the king. Nope, that loses it. Bring the king this way. Dude. I'm telling you. I couldn't do that. Billy says, Charlie, guess what? I'm a freaking emote. Dude. That's a freaking awesome emote, man. How did you even... Is that literally you, though, Billy? And how do we get it? How do I do it? How do I join the club? You go to Chess Chillers, and I'm going to see if I can get that link for you right now. You go to Community, and you go to Clubs. And you look for Chess Chillers. You search for Chess Chillers on the... Copy link. Great. Here's how you join the club. This is how you join the club, but you can just go to Chess Chillers on chess.com and join the club. Okay, that's how to join the club. And then to join the arena, let's go back. Let's go to play. Play online. Here's the arena. Our first arena ever. Join. That should be the pinned comment. Bang. There you go. Join arena there. No, that's not the arena. That's not the arena. Share. Oh, I didn't copy it. Okay, let me delete this one. I gotta get my coffee, guys. Trash it. Join arena here. Bang. There we go. Why is it unable to delete that message? That is so weird. And it's in the pinned comment how to join the arena, guys. I'm grabbing a coffee. Welcome to the coffee cam. One minute. Get your boards, get in the arena, folks. It's going to be a 1-minute slugfest here at Charly, Sardo Gaming in 22 chess.com seconds. The best platform on the internet. That was for you, Arena. Yeah. I'm sorry, that bishop was a problem. Can I play? How can I join the club? I gave you a link, brother. You see it? chess.com/club/chess-chillers. Or you can just go to community, clubs, and search for Chess Chillers. I got silent checkmate. I dropped it. He could have took it. He don't want my free bishop, my free knight, guys. I really messed up. I really messed up.
Hey Charlie, hey Chillers, grin hand waving. Hope you guys are all well. I've been taking some pictures from my
He didn't see it.
I will upload them to the exclusive Chillers group on Facebook in the next few days.
That's exciting. That's exciting, man. We gotta get rid of this so we can come in with a checkmate. Wow. Dave Joyce, hey Charlie Chillers, hope you guys are all well. I've been taking some pictures from my holiday. I'll upload them to the exclusive Chillers group on Facebook in the next few days. Dude, thank you for the 200 stars and have a great trip, dude. I love that, Dave Joyce. Okay, next game, next game, next game. I'm winning. Can you... Does chess.com have that, like, thing where you can, like, berserk or something? Or is that only on Lee Chess? And I know who's going to say it. Arena King's going to say chess.com sucks. Because they don't have the berserk. You guys know what the berserk thing is, guys? It's crazy. You start with half your time, but you win more points if you win. That was a good game, Silent Checkmate. I got to tell you something, man. Silent Checkmate's a strong player. He's stronger rapid than he is blitz. For sure. Yeah. He's a good player. Good player. From the great country of the Canary Islands. Is that a country? Or is that an island? Where's the Canary Islands part of, bro? Speaking of canaries, driving home from my gig at midnight the other night, I saw 2 deer, which was not that bad because it had cooled off, and they were never in the road. I saw 1 armadillo who was standing at the edge of the road. It looked like he was going to get squirrely, but they move kind of slow. I didn't slow down. I didn't run him over. And then I saw an owl. The owl was doing something in the street. I think he just swooped down to get something. He was huge when he flew away. He was huge and like white looking. It doesn't work, but I got time for it, guys. I got some time for it. Pretty bad, guys. It's looking really bad right now. Gotta be careful, man. Yeah, it's a pretty good move. I'm not leaving that there. I'm not leaving that there. El Centro! Probably should have played back. Yeah, that was probably a pretty bad move on my part. We're going to come here, I guess. Do we try and break the center open? I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure what to do here, guys. He saw it! Dude, good game, man. I was Greek! Greek! I didn't realize it was you. Next arena game, guys. Good thing got 2,600 left, guys. I wouldn't have a chance here, man. I would be fighting like a lion, though. Yeah, you get more points for being on streaks or something. So I really need to win this game. For the streak. That was probably a mistake. That's a good move. There's knights coming here, but there's not a lot I can do about it. I can play this. Is there a threat there? There's lots of threats here. He saw it so fast, guys. He saw it so fast. I got checkmate. I got a piece back. God. It's just so bad. The square he is controlling is so... Oh, he got my rook! Wow. I'm winning, right? It's crazy. It's crazy that I'm winning. I'm not winning. I am winning. I'm not winning. I went for it, guys. Oh, I'm losing on time. I went for the cheapo. I feel so bad. Hey, he didn't fall for it. I'm proud of you, Ches. Ches, good job, dude. He didn't fall for it, guys. Oh, my God. Dude, Ches is on a fire streak, bro. We got to take him down. Come on, someone's got to get him. Someone's got to knock him off that streak. Here? Yeah, I think I'm just in so much trouble here. What do you do? I didn't see it. That was a really bad move, by the way. This pawn is doing the Lord's work, folks. Wow. I'd rather take this one. No! No! I'm choking! Where is it? The problem is I can't defend the knight. I can't defend the knight there. Oh, it was right here the whole time. It was right there the whole time. Jono, good game, dude. Good. This is why we play unrated, guys. These 600s, they're too strong like bull. Yeah. Okay, let's get in the next game, man. I got to catch up to Cheese It. Chess JT. Oh, my God. $17. Silent, you got to beat him, man. You got to beat him, bro. Watch a 2600 come back and like freaking just in the last 10 minutes and just go around like a 15 streak and win the game, win the tournament. Watch Eric Rosen join. Oh no, he's on. That's one thing I got to be honest about the arena guy who's saying chess.com sucks. The best thing about Lead Chess is Eric Rosen plays there. Studies are good. The database has gotten better on chess.com. Now that I can choose only master games. I feel like I couldn't do that before. Here we go. He's like one move away from... Oh, he already got that. I didn't see that. Okay. We're castling into the center of the board by hand, guys. By hand. Didn't see it, man. We gotta go, dude. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go hard or go home. Okay, here? I just made him bring his queen to checkmate me. Ha! I forced him. I'm like, you probably don't have any ideas for moves, but I'm gonna chase... Actually, I didn't chase his queen. I think I'm busted, guys. I think I'm supposed to abort, right? No! Got him on time. That's insane, dude. He had me. You had me, man. I choked. I choked up on time, dude. Why do I do that? Nice game. Thank you, game guides. How you doing, brother? Finding the next game. We're gonna keep this guy down. He's too strong. Guys, join the arena. It's fun, man. All levels welcome in this arena. There's unrated. It's unrated. Get in. Play me some chess. Play with the community. It's good times. There is a pinned comment link. You sent the GIF to a buddy of mine and he used the emote for his Twitch account. Okay, wow. That is freaking awesome, dude. And then you can show it to me here. I love that you can show it to me here. How can you show it to me here? I don't know how. I see Roach's picture thing, but I can't tell what it is. Is the guy looking at his watch? What is it? Oh my goodness, man. Dude, let me tell you something. I have to be thankful to oh, we got a friend request from Ches JT. We're now friends on chess.com. You're a strong... Oh, Jano the champ is on a streak right now, guys. This guy finds squares for his pieces, bro. How is he so strong? improve the pieces? I don't know what to do. Kind of want to kick this. It's probably dumb, but I'm doing it. He gets a queen check. Uh-oh. He had a queen check. I think it was threatening the... Oh, my God. Ugh. Dude, he's giving me so many freaking chances. Get it off the best square in the world, guys. Got me on time. 2.7 seconds. Sound check, my good game. Much better than first game, man. You got me good there. I think you were winning most of the time. It was a 1 minute game. It went back and forth. I think I was doing okay at 1.2. Oh my God. Next game. Come on. I got to get in this arena, guys. I got to fight. It's only 30-minute arena, guys. It's not much of a commitment. The tournament we play every week is at 2 hours. But this is 1 minute. Everyone doesn't play 1 minute. I think we're going to do a 30-minute 1 minute arena every Monday from now on. Yeah. I'm going to play 1 minute against viewers directly while we wait for the arena to start. And then we're going to play an arena. And it's freaking fun. And Chess JT is making it hard to catch, man. What do you got? Silent, you need to hit streak, brother. You need to hit that streak. Greek. Did you bail out, Greek? There's 2 people not playing right now. I would think we'd be able to, would be matched up. So I don't know. I just don't know, man. But it's fun. Branson, dude, we're doing our first arena ever. Ever. Not even if there's a fire. Yeah. We're doing an arena. I played a 2600 earlier, and he's like, do an arena. I'm like, I've never done that before. But you know what? I've been wanting to. And so we could do an arena on Monday. A 1 minute arena on Monday and a freaking tournament on Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of fun, right? We could maybe even do a 3-minute arena on Thursday. But the thing is, I like Thursdays the way they are because I love playing other people. That's awesome. Still getting home from work. I like arenas. Cool. Well, the arena's going to be over in approximately 12.09 minutes. Adam Angle, I love you, brother, with the 50 stars. Thank you so much for supporting the stream, as always. I hope your life is great. Big stakes. This is why you play King B1, guys. This is why you play King B1. This bishop stays here until it doesn't want to stay here anymore. Should I do this? Bring another rook, I guess. Do something, anything, man. What do you do? Brought a bishop. So many mates. That was pretty brutal attack, man. He found it, though. Wow. Put the rook behind. He had bishop takes. That was dumb. And I lost on time. Oh, no. I had my chance to defeat him, guys. And I held up. It was so pretty. It's just too much. Yeah. Got you, man. Yeah, it's not enough time for anybody. I think once people, once you understand, it's not enough time for anybody. You just do it anyway, right? And then once you do a lot of it, you learn enough to play better, to play faster. If you get the bug for 1 minute, it's amazing. I don't know if that was the move. Yeah, I think he had better. Pinning. Might not have to come back, but it's coming back to a beautiful home. Okay, just castle. Get out of there. Out of Dodge, baby. Dodge City's a really bad place to live, guys. It's very dangerous. Whoa! I didn't see it. Pinning. Wow. It's my pawn. Good game. Hey, that was Claude! Claude, you played a great game, dude! Claude, that was a really good game, man. Yeah. Good game, dude. Claude is in, folks. Claude is a great supporter of the stream. Adam Angle, thank you again for the 50 stars. Love it. And we're going to start doing Monday Arenas. You know what? Branson, if you get home around this time, maybe we'll start the tournaments around 4:30. We'll start the arena at 4:35. Give you a chance to get home. You know what I'm saying? I could do that. It doesn't matter. I can't make every time for every tournament custom for everybody. But because it's a 30-minute tournament, a 30-minute arena. And we could start at 4:30, man. That could be pretty cool. It would end at 5. Then I could just play viewers 1 minute up until 4:30. Yeah. That could be the ticket. Odd. I think you had other stuff. Yeah, I think you might like stay on a night or something. And then I have to move it though. You're actually attacking. If both of these are unprotected, but you can't really attack them both. You know what I'm saying? You could attack one, and then I gotta save this, and then you just play chess, man. But I think back here, yeah, I don't know what the best move. If bishop takes was the best move, it probably was. Hey, I got Ches up again, man. Get rid of it, folks. Make it go away. Make it stop. Just make it stop, guys. Make it stop. He's doubling up on the push. I don't know why. That's a beautiful square for the knight, by the way. He's defending a pawn that I don't really care about. The pawn's kind of in the way of the amigo's life. It loses everything. Got him on time. Woo! Ches is strong. Can't believe I'm second. Game guy, that's you? You're Jano the champ? Dude, I'm so far behind you guys. Ches is just strong, dude. You play a lot of 1 minute, don't you, Ches? You like to watch. You get frustrated if I play. Yeah, I get it, man. I get it. And I know that about you, Greek. I'm just saying, if you cross the line to where you could appreciate it, this can be a very addictive form of chess. Like, enjoy the crud out of it kind of chess. The raid! Guys, I'm playing an arena right now. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. What do you do here? Guys, I want to do the raid, but I'm trying to beat this guy. It's a 1 minute arena, guys. It's our first arena ever. We do tournaments all the time, but we don't normally do arenas. Wow, this move is strong like bull, re-threatening everything. And, oh my God, what do you do? What do you do? How do you stop it? How do you stop it? I guess we just take a piece. That's how you stop it. That was dude, that move, you saw it took me a lot of time, Claude. Took me a lot of time, guys. Okay, get the queen into the game, play chess, a little bit of chess, not too much chess. And guys, he's rated 400, so he's just kind of getting hung up on the, he's getting a little bit hung up. Yeah, dude, Claude. Good game. What the raid? OMG, it's blind mode. OMG, it's go blind mode. Dude, thank you for the raid, brother. Hey, I didn't bring many viewers, but I hope you have a great stream. No way, man. You know what, dude? Never, at least never apologize for that, man. People appreciate raids. You know what I'm saying? If I constantly keep raiding Hikaru, and you know, sometimes people try and get people somewhere to the same. There's no way Zakenko with the party of one. Dude, thank you guys for the raids, man. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. They say it's not a bad idea to try and raid people kind of in your number of viewers. And you know what? 10 viewers is kind of like 2 viewers. It's like we don't have 150 people here. We're not raiding Nemo over here. You know what I mean? Trying to poach your freaking her community. We're spreading chess or bringing our community to other chess streamers. Do you play chess? Is that what you played today? OMG? And Zakenko, would you play too, man? I'm going to play another game because I'm in this arena, guys. I'm trying to beat these guys. They're too strong like bull. Is it over? Oh, I don't think I'm going to have time for one more game. That's okay. I want to sit here and appreciate you guys. I got 2 raids in a row, guys. Yeah, you just finished playing, trying to get 1,000 ELO in Rapid. Nice, dude. Nice, man. We do a weekly tournament every Wednesday. And you might want to stop in for that. I don't know if you're part of the community, if you ever come by or not. But welcome to the stream, man. Welcome to the stream and thank you for the raid. There's a lot of people in my chat that are trying to get to 1,000 elo. They know exactly how you feel. It ended! I didn't even get to play my rook check. Guys, congratulations to Ches JT. Dude, you were on fire with the streaks. Cloud says, I don't play much bullet. This is my chance. Dude, it was. That was fun. Might have to stop by on Wednesday. Yeah, complete the tournament, man. Yeah, you thanks, man. No, I got a great community, man. We've been doing this for a long time. Can't believe I'm second. You did great. Ches JT was on a streak. He got ahead and he held his lead, dude. Congratulations. Really crushed it. Silent Checkmate, second. Silent Checkmate, dude, awesome, man. Silent Checkmate's been playing the weekly tournament on Wednesdays. Jano the Champ takes third place. You guys earned your badges. That was fun. That, dude, a little 30-minute arena is freaking fun. Also a final streamer that actually cares about smaller raids. Zakenko, man, thank you for the raid, dude. Dude, don't you want to get the little badge? Don't you want to get the little badge that says, like, raid, and thank you for the follow. Raid a certain number of people. What's it called on Twitch, man? I want that. Where is it? Manage goals? No, that's not it. Where's all the awards or something? I don't see where it is. Monitor, no. Content. Viewer rewards. No. Stream together, streaming tools. Anyway, there's a thing, guys. There's a thing. There's a page where you, like, have more than 10 people watching you. And you get, like, a little check mark on Twitch. Okay? Get 500 followers. You get a little check mark on Twitch. 5-minute Ches JT is a little bit stronger than 1,600, folks. He's 2,100 blitz, guys. That makes a little bit of sense. Yeah. He's a little bit stronger, guys. He's a little bit strong, kind of like a bull. He's strong like a bull, guys. You got to be careful with these bulls. Okay. He wants to open up my bishop. Okay. I guess we get rid of his defender. I think we take this way. Gotta stop that from happening. This is a 5-minute game, guys. 5-minute game. The rook's gone, so we could probably come to this file, okay? You don't take with the bishop, though, guys. You take with the pawn stir. I feel like I want to take... Yeah, I'm going to take with the pawn. Now I have to play this Manunu. Well, I have time, though. Look at my pieces, guys. My pieces are trash. Okay, right, just move. He got rid of his light squared bishop, guys. Okay, just save the Amigo's rook. The knight is doing good work. Maybe sack the last pawn, guys. Oh, I forgot this is a 5-minute game. Wow. I think we push. I think it's too powerful not to. It's too powerful not to. You want him to attack my queen, right? That's probably not an altogether bad move. That could have been a move. If I come over here, I think I might have Time to do stuff. I think we bring a piece. We sacked the last pawn, guys. We sacked the last pawn. We got a light square weakness. We're going to have to attack it, though. You need pieces to attack it, but hey, I'm all about it. I'm all about bringing stuff and sacking stuff and night. That's probably a pretty good move. The queen comes, right? Oh, no. There goes my advantage. I think I can resign. I'm down too many pawns. Takes, queen takes, and there's no takes check. So we have to come like somewhere good. This comes to a square. And that's what we're doing. We're coming to a square. That's all we're doing. His king side is weak. There's nothing here though, guys. There's nothing here. Yeah, he just plays this move. And then we just come like to the light squares. He could probably centralize. I'll come back. Then I might have a kick here. Yeah, I come back. Hit the queen. This might be a move. Here first. And then rook takes. I guess he does have some moves here. I could maybe gut him. I'm not sure. F4 he doesn't want to play. F3 I could play a rook takes check and then takes. No, I can't. He could maybe play. Okay, he plays F3. I think we go here. No, it doesn't work. There's just not enough. Takes, bishop takes, and push. Doesn't do anything. There's not enough. It looks like there's some pressure here, man. And I feel like there might be, but I don't know what it is. Takes, takes, push. He plays bishop takes knight. Can I hit the queen? It doesn't do anything. I can't hit the queen either way like this, can I? Nothing's under attack. So I can maybe... How do I bring more wood to the fire? He's just going to kick my knight. But that's okay. We're playing chess. We're playing chess. I don't have much more. I could have maybe attacked stuff. I'm down. I thought I was down a piece. No, I'm just down all the pawns I sacked. Yeah. Okay. I don't think I get enough for it. I was looking at this check, but he just does this. I guess here? There's nothing, right? There's just nothing. I tried, guys. I really tried. I think takes, pawn takes, rook takes, king takes, check. He just comes up. I stay back here. He has time for this. He has time for this because I can't push my pawn. So I guess I have to keep the queen on. Wait. I can't even come over there. Oh. It's so bad. I just gave him too many pawns, guys. And my bishop sucks. I resign. Good game, Ches. Good game, Ches. I played Ches because he won the tournament. Rook take, knight take, pawn. Did I have a shot there? Hey, Charlie, it's Steven from the shop. Just wanted to stop in and check on you. Keep up the good work. Love the streams. Dude, thank you, man. Thank you, brother. I hope all's going well with you, man. You don't play a lot of bullet. Got that? Yeah, reloaded. Okay, okay. Yeah, good. Dude, that was a great arena. For our first arena ever, that was great. And we're going to start doing arenas on Mondays, guys. Probably at 4:30. Probably at 4:30. Central Standard Time. That's Texas time. All right? Yeah. Oh, my God. It's Goblin mode. You have to go now, but I hope the rest of the stream goes well, and I hope that you all have a great day. Thank you for the raid, dude. Thank you so much for the raid. I couldn't even read your name. Oh, my God. It's Blend mode. No, Goblin is one word. Duh. I finally got your name now. Thank you for the raid, dude. Guys, what a great stream, man. We are gaming later. I play games after dark, and tonight is going to be most likely Elden Ring. We stream chess Monday through Thursday, 4 times a week. I've been doing this full-time for 5 years, so we will be here tomorrow. Mandarina, says Bill Stevens. What does it mean? Hey, Mandarina. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do the Macarena. I like when, didn't Dr. Evil do the Macarena? He could have checked his king and took his bishop. Also, oh, I believe it. Yeah, but you know what? I could go back and look at all the chances I had and try and make myself feel like I was beating the 2100. I beat 2100s. I beat 2300s many times. It's a blitz game. He's at the end of the game. He's up a minute, almost a minute and a half. And I'm losing on time and on the board. So just because, yeah, he doesn't play perfect. He's 2100. He's not Magnus, but he played better than me and faster than me. So that was a good game, Ches. You play good, dude. Fair enough, says Elijah. Yeah, no, dude, I know people. I knew a guy. I used to go to chess tournaments with him. He would just always make excuses for everything. After the game, after you beat him, he would go back and go, oh, I just played bishop e6 and you're lost. It's like, would you feel like you won? Because you didn't win. Don't make yourself feel like you won. You know what I'm saying? You should go back and suffer the pain of, oh, I just had to play bishop e6. Oh, why didn't I see it? Why didn't I see it in time? I'm a failure and I need to fix it. I wasn't tactical enough. I didn't realize it was a critical position. I should have spent more time rather than arguing why I could have won the game. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah. It feels good to do that, but it feels good to, to take candy from the carny barker and then you start turning into a donkey. Yeah, we learned that from Pinocchio, right? Everything that feels good is not good. Might not help. I was trying to look for anything in here, like, you know what I'm saying? To open up the king. Yeah. If I felt like there was a real attack in this position, I would go look for the win. But I don't believe there was. And then I just blundered my pawn. This is the key. I can't blunder this pawn. Like, this is worth looking here and saying, maybe Queen G6? Maybe Queen G6? Maybe attack the pawn now? Queen E6? You know what I'm saying? He could come knight, though, because my queen's unprotected. Yeah, so maybe like Queen G6, and then lift the rook up and bring it over here or something stupid. Now the knight can come here at the right time. Do you know what I'm saying? But losing this pawn was the mistake. Yeah. It's 11 for you at night. Okay, well, hey man, I stay up late. I'm a late guy, man. There was a great fork. You have a look. I have a look. If you sack the rook, did I really? Late in the game. Oh, if I sack the rook, you mean here? When I was trying to figure this out. Not here. Yeah, I don't know where it was. That's one thing I talk about too all the time. It really does help to speak chess. Because if you say, no, when you played knight f6, after he played bishop, queen a5, knight f6, you had a knight fork, then I could go right to it. Yeah. It's a good idea to learn how to speak chess. I have a friend who's a FIDE master. And one of my chess reels, he saw it and we were talking about it. And we're talking about it on the phone. And he's like, well, what did the guy play? If he didn't play queen f6, he didn't play queen f7, he didn't play rook f7, what did he actually play? I said, well, Stockfish wanted rook f2 and he's better. He's like, oh, okay, yeah. And we're talking about chess without a board. And he's a FIDE master, and I got to talk about chess with the FIDE master. But if I didn't speak chess, then he would say, well, what happened in that position? If he didn't play rook f7 or queen f7, I'd be like, I don't know. You got to say queen here and queen there. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to put you down. I'm 1,000,000% not. I'm telling you, you might be way higher rated than me. It doesn't matter. It's not about rating. It's about if you learn how to speak a language, then you can talk. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not saying you don't know how. Sometimes I say rook here, knight here. I do. Yeah. When your queen was on e6, there we go. You know the language. Okay, when my queen was on e6, I don't think it was anywhere else. When my queen was on e6, queen e6. Okay, queen e6. And then, but when my queen, he's threatening queen takes queen. You're talking about maybe coming in and doing this or something? You're talking about maybe doing something like takes, and then coming here threatening this, but is that what you're talking about? Before he went to f3, so my queen was on e6. Before he went to f3, my queen was never on e6. Yeah, like I said, but you said my queen was on e6, and when my queen was on e6, there was nothing there. And then when you start saying before that, after that, we end up sitting here doing this. Wait, I don't know. Yeah. It's no problem, dude. But yeah, I just don't see it. But either way, like I said, it's a blitz game, man. It's a blitz game. You know, I'm old and, what's the word? Gatekeeper grumpy. Where when I played chess in tournaments, serious tournament chess, serious as I could be about it, they wouldn't rate 30-minute games because it's trash. It's just not real chess. You know what I'm saying? You 4-hour games. All the grandmasters, even the kids these days, I don't think they became grandmasters. Faustino, I'm sure he plays lots of blitz, and maybe even 1 minute. I'm sure he plays lots of blitz, but he becomes a grandmaster by playing 4-hour games. Slow chess. You can learn a lot from blitz games and bullet games, though. And you can work on your tactics 1,000,000%. You totally should. I do. And you know what's great? What they're for the best is the opening. Watch this game right here. Can I not game review this game, or how do I do it? Hey, I got another friend request. Finn, thank you. We're now friends on chess.com. Let me go to me. And of course, I just forgot. Oh, that was my last. Was that my last game? Yeah, it was. Okay. We can look at it maybe. Let's look at it, dude. Let's just look at it, and we'll find that spot you were looking for, okay, brother? I should be able to see it in the squiggler. In the squig. There we go. In the squiggler. I should be able to see it in the squiggler. It's probably... Why is everything so slow, bro? Oh, because I'm in the wrong, I'm on the wrong spot. No, this is it. This is right. It's probably one of these dips over here. Right? Let's find it. Okay, let me get back to the board. And let me get to the first dip. That was great. That's a mistake. Allowed opponent to move a queen to a more active position. So what could I have done? Because I don't care if he takes, right? Because that's really bad for him. It should be. I allowed the queen to get to a better position. Do I play like... Where's his queen going to come? What's best? Play the knight. Dump the pawn. And black is better right here. But this is, I don't think, what you were talking about. Okay, so I came... This is a bad move. You left your pawn hanging. Yeah, oh, last move it was good to leave the pawn hanging. This move I didn't see it. Okay. And that's a blunder. Is it right here? Is it right here? When white king to g2, black queen to e6. Okay. This is the worst thing. This is the only thing I have. Right? Let me go into analysis and we're going to find it. Okay, in this position, e4 is best. And why? And I'm completely better. Isn't that weird though? Just sack the pawn, develop the knight. Oh, but then maybe the rook improves. Knight e4, queen f5. Oh, threatening and threatening. And if he takes, I take here. Oh, look at that. Look at that move. Yeah, so it's being stockfish and it's seeing it's not very far down though. In a classical game, you would see that you could play this move because after takes, I threaten the knight and checkmate, or he has to sack the queen, right? Okay, so let's see if we can find it. You said king g2, queen e6, but he comes here. His king was never on g2 in my once I drop the pawn, I think it's over. e4 is best and it's equal. I'm looking to see if it ever drops down again. No, it doesn't. It doesn't. I'm just completely busted. Yeah, that was it. Yeah, so I don't know what you're saying, man. I don't know what you're saying, but I did look for it. Yeah. You when you said white king g2, black queen e6, my white king was never on g2 when my toward the end here, but it's his move. If you're talking about knight, there's still nothing here. If you're talking about knight or something like that, and then if queen g4, queen takes, pawn takes, rook takes, knight check, but it's his move. It's his move. It's his move. One more. There you go, king g2. Now it's my move. So you're saying I had a fork. What are you talking about? This move? The king comes at g2 and it's my move. Oh, you're saying the sack works. Takes. Doesn't work. It doesn't work. It doesn't work, dude, but I love your passion. Burnirons. I am calling it a day. We played against viewers for a couple hours. We did an arena. We're going to start doing a Monday 1-minute arena. I stream 4 days a week, Monday through Thursday. Hit the follow button to like, follow, comment, subscribe. You got here at the end of the day, brother. So, but I'll play. Yeah. I would love to play you, though, man. I would love to play you. I got to play some really strong players today. I played a 2600, a 20, I think, did we play a 2300? I know I played a 2100. I just played a 2100. And then I got to play some low-rated players, too. And I even got beat by a 600. You guys played really good today, man. I want to thank you guys for a great... Look at my shirt. I'm thinking... I love you guys, man. Hit the like, follow, comment, subscribe button on the way out. Twitch. Let's take a look at Twitch here. Twitch is absolutely crushing it. Twitch, I love you guys. We are working it toward 700 viewers on Twitch. YouTube is getting so close to 2,900. Almost 2,900 on YouTube, guys. We're going to do a big stream to celebrate YouTube for 3,000. And I'll tell you this, my Facebook people, my Facebook stream is starting to show more life again, and I love it. Thank you guys for being here. Mex, I love you, dude. Good to see you, Mex. I'm sorry it took me so long to say that. It is hard to look at chat when I'm playing 1-minute games. I got 2 raids when I was playing, and it's so hard. You guys can't hear the landlord. Huh? He's mowing the yard. I love the guy. Love you guys. See you tonight, 8 p.m. for gaming stream. Good night.